Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 4 and number 6 we can do about factorization. By number 2, next, we can do another factorization by x. Next, I will put number 2 cone here. And this one, we need to separate them into s squared plus s squared. Next, this one divided by s squared plus 3 divided by this one. So we have two fractions in here. The first one that is about s over s squared plus 3, and the second one that is about 1 over s. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got about 0 in here. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by the u over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and then I will put about c. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.